Next example 4. In a right angle triangle ABC is right angle at B. If tan A equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A cos A equal to 1. So, நம்ம sin A value cos A value find out பண்ணணும். So, right angle triangle சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So, right angle triangle A, B, C. It is angle at B. Right angle at B. So, B in the part it is a right angle. So, A, B, C, tan A. So, this is theta. So, A என்ன இருக்கீங்க தானே? So, this is theta. So, என்ன சொல்லிட்டாங்க? That is theta means இங்க theta equal to A angle. So, tan A equal to 1. Tan A equal to 1. So, we know tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. So, 1 can be written as 1 by 1. So, opposite value is 1. Adjacent value is also 1. This is theta. So, theta ka opposite the opposite side. So, therefore, this is the opposite side. 90 degree. 90 degree ka opposite like the hypotenuse. Another one side is adjacent side. So, opposite side is value 1. Adjacent value is 1. So, now we need to find out the hypotenuse value. We know that hypotenuse equal to root of opposite square plus adjacent square. Where opposite value is 1. So, 1 square plus adjacent value is 1. So, 1 square. So, 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. So, root of 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, hypotenuse value is 2. That is AC equal to 2. Okay. So, sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Where opposite is 1. Then hypotenuse value is 2. So, answer is 2. Sorry, root 2. So, root 2. Next, cos A. Cos A equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Where adjacent value is 1, hypotenuse value is root 2. Okay. So, sin A and cos A values substitute பண்ணி answer find out பண்ண வேண்டியதா. Next, 2 times of sin A cos A. LHS மட்டும் consider பண்றேன். So, 2 times of sin A value is 1 by root 2 and also at cos A value is 1 by root 2. So, 2 into 1 into 1, 2 da. Root 2 into root 2, we get 2. 2 will be cancelled. Answer is 1. Therefore, 2 sin A. So, we get RHS side. Therefore, 2 sin A into cos A equal to 1. Hence proved. Okay. Next, example 5. In triangle OPQ is right angle at P, where OP equal to 7 cm and OQ minus PQ equal to 1 cm. Determine the value of sin Q and cos Q. So, near triangle OPQ. So, triangle, right angle triangle draw பண்ணிக்கோங்க. It is right angle at P. So, P in the point it is right angle. Therefore, this is O, P and Q. So, sin Q and cos Q. அப்ப இதான் நம்மளுடைய theta. So, this is Q. Okay. This is opposite side. This is hypotenuse and this is adjacent side. So, given value is OP is 7. So, our OP value is 7 centimeter. Next, OQ minus PQ equal to 1. So, given OQ minus PQ equal to 1. Next, we know that hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Where hypotenuse side is OQ. So OQ the whole square equal to opposite side is OP. So OP square plus adjacent value is QP or PQ. So PQ square. So given OQ minus PQ equal to 1. So OQ can be written as minus OP minus PQ in the side the plus or convert idom. So plus PQ. So put this value. This equations OQ equal to 1 plus PQ the whole square. So OQ ku பதிலா இந்த value நம்ம apply பண்ணியாச்சு. Already given OP value is 7. So 7 apply பண்றோம். 7 square plus PQ square. This is A plus B the whole square format. So 1 plus PQ the whole square equal to 7 square plus PQ square. Where 7 square value is 49 plus PQ square. A plus B the whole square where A plus B the whole square. Since A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Where A equal to, compare this, A equal to 1 and B equal to PQ. So apply பண்ணலாம். So 1 square plus 2AB. 2 into, here A value is 1 and B value is PQ. So into PQ plus PQ square equal to 49 plus PQ square. So 1 square plus 2PQ. 1 square is 1. So plus 2 into 1 2. So 2 into PQ 2PQ plus PQ the whole square equal to 49 plus PQ the whole square. So in the side numbers 1 plus 2PQ plus PQ square minus 49 minus PQ the whole square equal to 0 because the other side negative convert equal to 0. Next minus PQ square plus PQ square can be cancelled. So remaining 1 plus 2PQ minus 49 equal to 0. So 2PQ minus 49 plus 1 we get minus 48 equal to 0. So 2PQ equal to minus 48 this side convert பண்ணும்போது plus 48 convert ஆயிடும். So PQ equal to 48 by 2. Cancel பண்ணா we get 24. Therefore PQ equal to 24 centimeter. Next OQ minus PQ equal to 1. This is given. So now find out the PQ value. Therefore OQ minus PQ 24 equal to 1. Therefore OQ equal to 1 minus 24 inside RHS values we get plus 24. Therefore OQ equal to 24. Next same triangle consider பண்ணுங்க. Angle Q P O is 90 degree. Then OP is 7 centimeter. And now find out PQ values. PQ value is 24 centimeter and OQ value is 25 centimeter. Next, so now find out the sin Q value. Sin Q equal to opposite by hypotenuse, where 90 degree opposite. This is opposite side. This is angle at P 90 degree. Next Q is a theta. So this is Q. But this is the opposite side. This is the adjacent side. Where opposite side is 7. So 7 by hypotenuse value is 25. So answer is 7 by 25. Next cos Q. Cos Q equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, where the adjacent value is 24, hypotenuse value is 25. These are the required answers.